guys, so I'm going to show you one of my more recent favorite vegetable combinations to make, and it's super simple, it's really tasty, and let's get into it. So what I have here is a bunch of just green string beans that I cut the ends off, they're chopped in half and are in the pan. I have a few more I'm going to put in here, and then what I'm going to do, this one is really simple, just fresh ground black peppercorn and some garlic salt. So I'm going to put this on. Don't be shy. I will kind of keep the garlic salt a little bit less because it is a stronger flavor, and I do have fresh garlic as well. And then with fresh black peppercorn, really just load it up. You really can't use too much of this. I'm going to put this on here like this. Then I have all of my fresh chopped garlic right here. This is like the game changer with this recipe. You really want to use a lot of fresh chopped garlic because it's just such a good flavor to it. So put all that stuff in there. Sweet. And then what I need is my lid. So I'm going to cover that guy. And here. So I'm actually going to just mix this around a little bit so the garlic gets down in there. Now, here's the important thing. So I'm going to leave this on about medium-high heat for about 2 minutes, right? Just so that the heat can build in there. And then, this is what I like to call steam frying it. So what I'm kind of doing is, I have the stir-fry part in there now, and then I'm going to put just a little bit of water in once it's already really hot. And then I'm going to cover it again, and that just what it does is kind of steams the vegetables as you're also stir-frying them. And it'll only take about 4 to 5 minutes tops on there, and then they're ready to go.